Want perfectly seared, juicy prawns with restaurant-quality flavour? The secret is dry brining. This technique is a game changer. It draws out excess surface moisture and firms up the texture for a meatier bite. Start with raw, peeled and deveined prawns. Pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Place them on a plate, making sure they're arranged in a single layer. Now sprinkle them lightly with salt. For even better results, add a tiny bit of baking soda. This gives the prawns a snappier texture. Let the prawns rest uncovered in the refrigerator. The salt draws out moisture and then gets reabsorbed, seasoning the prawns from the inside out. Before cooking, pat the prawns dry one more time to remove any additional moisture they've released. Heat your pan until it's really hot. Drizzle with some olive oil, then add your dry brined prawns. Look at that sizzle! Golden brown perfection. Crispy outside, juicy inside. These prawns are flavour bombs. Salt, let them rest, then sizzle. Prawn game forever changed.